Aloe vera gel has immense beauty benefits, and helps the skin by providing moisture, reducing dark spots, sunburns and other blemishes on your face, and also helps with healing acne. Rice flour has natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties. It is good for oily or acne-prone and dull skin. It is excellent anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent, that soothes sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. Wild turmeric powder contains antioxidants and antibacterial and stimulant properties. It reduces pigmentation, improves skin complexion and reduces dark circles. Honey is an excellent moisturizing and soothing agent, which helps to bring bright glow on your skin. It is full of antioxidants which will slow down the process of aging. Today, I will share homemade massaging cream, which will give glowing and fair skin instantly. This will also remove uneven skin tone and it hydrates your skin from deep within. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rice paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, ½ tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1/4 teaspoon of wild turmeric powder. Method: add cooked rice to the blender, and add little milk to make smooth rice paste. In a clean bowl add 1 tablespoon of rice paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, ½ tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 1/4 teaspoon of wild turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients. Apply it to your skin and gently massage for 15 minutes, by adding little water on the face during massage, to remove additional heat from the face while doing massage. Then rinse it off with normal water.